Grass seeds for goat farm in Shaka, Delta State. We just started construction. We're planting grasses. We just started planting. We use some part of this area to set up the goat shed. I'll keep us updated. But so far we have all the grasses, every pasture needed by these goats, both for fattening, reproduction, fast growth, immunity, and their general well-being. You can see the seeds, all of them Centrosema. We've planted the Napier cuttings earlier. We have all the grass seeds you can think of that goats eat. These are hybrid seeds, fast growing, high yielding grass seeds, strictly for goats. Rabbits and other ruminants can still eat them, but these ones, we selected them especially for these goats. When we complete setup, I'll still make a video for everybody to see.